So hello and namaste everyone. This is Yogashish and today we are going to practice the New Year yoga flow. It is good for our health and the basic mind flow and body flow we are using Vinyasa flow in this today's video. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, we have to relax our mind to focus on yoga. So sit down on the Padmasana, okay? Then straight your back. Then join your both hands, close your eyes. Inhale, take deep breath inside in your lungs. Exhale with Om. Om. Come on, one more time. Inhale, take deep breath inside in your lungs. Okay, slightly rub your both palms. Come in the contact of your eyes. Feel the heat of your palms. And slowly come into the forward of your face. And slightly open your both eyes. Look at your palm. Join your both hands. Come on. So namaste everyone. Let us start today's yoga flow. Take deep breath. Inhale. Raise your both hands. Feel your shoulder muscles and your triceps, bronchis. Inhale. Look at to the ceiling. Then exhale slowly down your both hands. Look at to the ground. And your navels. Feel your back and shoulder muscles. Then come on, one more time. Inhale in your lungs and look at to the ceiling. Raise your both hands. Then exhale slowly down to the ground and look at to the navels. Okay, then now what we have to do? Slowly touch your both knees and bend forward. Bend forward your navels. Touch your navels to the feet. And touch your forehead to the ground. Okay. Then exhale, slowly come and join your both hands and keep your thoracic muscles on the backward side and shoulder muscles. Stretch. Come on, stretch. And your diaphragm must be forward side and try to make an arc to your body. Come on, okay. Then again touch your both knees and slightly down. Touch towards the ground. Then join your both hands and keep backward side your thoracic muscles. Stretch, come on, stretch. Stretch your thoracic muscles. Okay. And one more time. Join your both hands to the backward side and stretch. Stretch your diaphragms and shoulders. Okay, come on, hold. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, slowly down your right shoulders and raise your left hand and look into the ceiling and ground and sky. Okay, then now change. Open your both hands Then stretch your shoulders and look into the sky. Stretch your diaphragms. Then come on, inhale down towards the right side and look into the ceiling. Inhale. Oh, very good, everybody. Keep warm and stretch your both hands. Join it and thoracic must be backward side. Okay, that's enough for upper back and shoulder warm up. Then what we have to do now, we will try some Vinyasa flow technique. Okay, then come to the position of downward facing dog. Slightly come forward your right leg and try to attempt warrior one. Stretch your back and hands and leg muscles also. Then slightly touch your both hands to the ground and come into the position of plank. Look 1 meter forward, then slightly down your both knees, shoulders, and stretch towards the ceiling. Slightly try to touch your both knees on the ground, toes, and stretch towards the downward facing dog. Oh, slightly. What a beautiful nature that we have got on 1st January 2024. Okay, then slightly come forward your left leg and come to the warrior one pose. Raise your both hands. Inhale with inhalation. Then exhale slowly down your both hands and legs towards the backward side. And hold. Look 1 meter forward. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly down your both knees, shoulders, and stretch up to the cobra pose. Okay, and slightly exhale down your both shoulders to the ground. Then what we have to do, raise your right leg and down towards the left leg side and stretch. Hold 1,